I ain't watching a movie with you, babe. That's just great as well. After the wedding, it's just nice to have some quality time with you. You know, we never get quality time together. Usually, watching our old selves have fun together. I'm gonna go put Skylar in the bed, okay? Okay. Good night. Oh, good night. Sorry, my bad. I'll be back. This is a little banger video. That wedding was amazing. What actually did tomorrow? I should go out, go play games, go eat. I don't know. Figure that later. Skylar! Yes, ma'am? Time to go to bed. Okay. I was seeing the most amazing thing. What was this movie? I don't know. Either go eat, go play, go hang out with Abby. We'll see. Let's see, go again. I'm back here, okay? Okay. Kind of scared at that. I know it's raining, but watch out. I never one time I was thinking about tornadoes. That never happens though, you know. I know. All this tornado will always be around. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Love you. Love you. Okay. Okay,
That was so much fun, buddy. Come on. Ready on?
Hey, baby. Yeah? Why is the screen glitching? What do you mean? What's glitching? Glitching? What are you talking about? How many years? Okay? Yeah. Hold up. Okay, come on.
Northwestern Madison County in north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County in north central Alabama, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado traffic. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for east Limestone and northwest Madison County. This includes Athens, Bethel, Harvest, and Tony. Take cover now. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Athens.
I thought, okay, see, who has tornadoes? I guess, baby. Yeah, hurry up, get the kid. Meet me now. Okay. Kitty, sweetie, wake up. Yes, Mom? You okay? You went, yeah, right. Listen, storm. What do you mean storm? Yeah, tornado. Tornado. Is music. Let's see. Oh, hell no. You okay? It's gonna be okay. What's going on? I need this. It's a tornado outside. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. I touched you. Mama. Yeah, here. Mom. Yes. Babe. We are. Yes. I think the tornado's gone. Oh, hey. I'm going to bed, guys. Good night. Good night. Finally, peace and quiet. Oh, yes, it's finally over. And you want to continue watching the movie? Oh, yeah, sure. My lady. You gonna... hold on. Wait. Okay. Let's go.